Top 7 Best DJI Drones for Travel in 2024. Welcome to Drone Lost, the channel where we review the latest and greatest drones on the market. In this video, we are going to show you the best DJI drones for travel in 2024. These are the drones that combine portability, durability, and top-notch camera quality to elevate your travel experiences to new heights. Whether you are a seasoned traveler or a photography enthusiast, you will find a drone that suits your needs and budget in this list. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 7. DJI Avata. The DJI Avata is the newest addition to the DJI family, and it is unlike any other drone you have seen before. This drone is inspired by the movie Avatar, and it features a unique design that mimics the flying creatures from the film. The DJI Avata has 4 wings that can fold and unfold, allowing it to fly in different modes and environments. The drone also has a 360-degree camera that can capture stunning aerial shots from any angle. The DJI Avata is not only a drone, but also a companion that can interact with you and respond to your voice commands. The DJI Avata is the ultimate drone for travel, adventure, and entertainment. The price of the DJI Avata starts at $629. Number 6. DJI Mavic Mini. The DJI Mavic Mini is the smallest and lightest drone in the DJI lineup. Weighing only 249 grams, this drone is so small that you can fit it in your pocket or backpack, making it ideal for travel. The DJI Mavic Mini has a 12 megapixels camera that can shoot 2.7K video at 30 FPS and a 3-axis gimbal that ensures smooth and stable footage. The drone also has a 30-minute flight time, 10 kilometers range, and a dedicated remote controller. The DJI Mavic Mini is a great drone for beginners and casual users who want to capture their travels with ease and convenience. This drone compatible with the DJI Fly app, which offers a simple and intuitive user interface. The drone also supports quick shots, which are preset flight modes that create cinematic videos with a single tap. The price of the DJI Mavic Mini starts at $399. Number 5. DJI Mini SE. The DJI Mini SE is the upgraded version of the DJI Mavic Mini, and it offers some improvements and new features. The DJI Mini SE has a 12 megapixels camera that can shoot 2.7K video at 30 FPS and a 3-axis gimbal that provides better stability and control. The drone also has a 30-minute flight time and 6 kilometers range. The DJI Mini SE also supports DJI Fly app, which allows you to edit and share your videos on social media. The DJI Mini SE is a perfect drone for travelers who want to enjoy high-quality video and photo performance in a compact and affordable package. The drone is similar to the DJI Mini 2, but with a lower video resolution and transmission range. The drone also has a different design and color scheme than the DJI Mini 2. The price of the DJI Mini SE starts at $299. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE is the special edition of the DJI Mini 2, and it comes with some exclusive features and accessories. The DJI Mini 2 SE has a 12 megapixels camera that can shoot 2.7K video at 30 FPS and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal that delivers smooth and cinematic footage. The drone also has a 31-minute flight time and 10 kilometers range. The DJI Mini 2 SE also supports DJI Smart Controller, which is a high-performance device and can operate in extreme temperatures. The DJI Mini 2 SE also comes with a stylish travel case, a propeller holder, and charging hub. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a premium drone for travelers who want to enjoy the best of both worlds, portability and performance. The price of the DJI Mini 2 SE starts at $299. Number 3. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is the successor of the DJI Mini 2, and it offers some significant upgrades and enhancements. The DJI Mini 3 has a 48 megapixels camera that can shoot 4K video at 30 FPS and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal that has a new horizon lock feature. The drone also has a 38-minute flight time and 10 kilometers range. The DJI Mini 3 also has a new intelligent flight mode called True Vertical Shooting, which automatically shoot on vertical mode. Is a powerful drone for travelers who want to capture stunning and creative videos with ease and fun. The price of the DJI Mini 3 start at $469. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is the professional version of the DJI Mini 3, and it has some extra features and capabilities. The DJI Mini 3 Pro has a 48 megapixels camera that can shoot 4K video at 60 FPS and a 3-axis gimbal that has a new tilt lock feature. The drone also has a 34-minute flight time and 18 kilometers range. Also supports DJI goggles, which are immersive devices that let you see what the drone sees in real time. The DJI Mini 3 Pro also has a new intelligent flight mode called Hyperlapse, which allows you to create stunning time-lapse videos with the drone. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is an advanced drone for travelers who want to experience the ultimate in aerial photography and videography. The price of the DJI Mini 3 Pro start at $539. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate drone for travel in 2024, and it is the best drone that DJI has ever made. The DJI Mini 4 Pro has a 48 megapixels camera that can shoot 4K video at 100 FPS and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal that has a new zoom feature. The drone also has a 34-minute flight time and 20 kilometers range. Also supports DJI RCN212, which is a powerful device that can control multiple drones at once. The DJI Mini 4 Pro also has a new intelligent flight mode called Cinematic Mode, which automatically adjusts the drone's speed, altitude, and angle to create cinematic shots. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate drone for travelers who want to capture breathtaking and professional videos with the highest quality and resolution. The price of the DJI Mini 4 Pro start at $759. So, these are the top 7 best DJI drones for travel in 2024. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more drone reviews and tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.